Hello everyone. In today's video I'm just going to quickly show you how you can do the spark plugs on a 2001 BMW 740i. The process is similar for all the E38s from 95 and also for the 540s from 96, 97 to 2003 E39s. Same engine, procedure is same. So first you do is the main cover, which is this one here. You take it off. They're very easy. Push clips. You push these clips, 4 clips, and it easily comes off. Then you are on to the next one, the 2 side covers where the ignition coils, the cylinders are. So there are caps on each of them. There are 4 caps, 2 on each side. So the caps are basically, they look like this. I'll show you. Very easy to pop off. There is a little groove here on the sides. Just stick a flathead and you should be getting all of them out easily. Next is you go into the chamber. This is cylinder 1 to 4, and you can easily undo the plugs. I'll do one for you guys so it's easy. So you just basically sticking one of these flatheads and just pry it up, comes off, and that's it. It's loose. The plugs come off. Only one thing to notice is on your cylinder 2 has a ground cable. Don't forget to put it back in that right spot on that upper screw. It comes off. With the connector you can keep it in there, and same thing with on the other side, cylinder 7. It's connected to the connector of the cylinder 7 ignition, and it comes off. Then what you do is basically take a 3/8 spark plug remover with an extension. Okay, so sorry, mistake was it's a 5/8, not a 3/8. If you can see here, wrench with a magnetic wrench, and then have an extension. Put it into the chamber. Easy, you can see. Put it in and just loosen it. It comes off easily. And I took 2 of them off. These are the plugs. So make sure you put the OEM NGK laser platinums. Don't buy from eBay because those are fakes. You go to a renowned shop or buy from Rock Auto, FCP Euro, Euro Parts. These are the BKR6E QUP 3199. I got them from Rock Auto. They're the best price. Anyway, so next I forgot one thing in between, that is you have to remove all those 10mm nuts on each of the ignition coils, 2 each, so there will be 16 of them. So you take those off, and then like the ones here still on cylinder 7, so you take them off and then check for oil leaks. Maybe it's time for you to do the valve cover gasket. Mine don't look that terrible, so I'll leave it at right now. If you have oil residue in there, so you might want to check the oil leaks, where it's coming from and all that. And then you just put the plugs back, the new ones, and it's just a reverse procedure. And in the meantime you can also check your ignition coil boots, see if they're broken. You might want to replace 1 or 2 based on how they are. So far somebody already marked the ignition coil cylinder 1 to 8, so looks okay. I don't have any misfires, so I'm not going to change them. So if you have really old torn boots, it's time for them to be replaced. Hope this video helped you guys. Any questions or comments, please let me know, and I will try my best to answer your inquiries. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good rest of your day.